Experience driving perfection in the 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.